Hi, I'm Luiza, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful card using watercolor. I'm following along a tutorial from Madame Simple Craft because watercolor isn't my strong suit yet, but I really like how the cards turn out with watercolor, especially the holiday cards. This year I'm doing Craftmas, the crafting version of Vlogmas. So every day from December up until Christmas, I'm going to upload a new video with a new craft to choose from. So make sure that you check out the entire playlist, as I'm sure you'll find at least one craft you'll enjoy. And if you enjoy this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you stay updated with all of my crafts. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!